How to replace the fan. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the motherboard. Important: make careful note of the routing of the antenna cables around the fan for later replacement. Disconnect the fan cable from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the antenna cables from the routing channel on the fan. Remove the three 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the fan to the top cover. Lift the fan off of the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the fan.